Welcome back to the channel Talking Galaxy community. Before we get started, just a quick reminder, this video is not financial advice, I'm not financial advisor, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. In today's video we're talking about Binamarket, and right away you can see different sections like trending, breaking and politics, and this platform works best if you understand market forecasting or technical analysis, because knowing the trend of the market is extremely important. Also, as you can see at the right top corner you have deposit option and connect wallet option, so I'm going to connect my Trust wallet. For example, let's take a look at crypto. You got assets like Ethereum, and you can choose whether you think the price will go up or down, and it also shows probability percentages right here. But again, this is not about guessing. You should always have a clear reason behind your prediction, and market analysis plays a huge role when participating in this kind of trading. You also have other categories like geopolitics, earning, culture, world economy and more, and there's time interval option as well, like 15 minutes, and you can see an earning calendar directly on the platform. Now looking at the trending section, you'll see questions like what price will gold close at in 2025, and you can choose the range you think is correct. There's also topics related to global leaders and current events, and if you're good at following news, live events and understanding how they affect the market, then this definitely works in your favor. And before making any choices, it's a good idea to check the trending news elsewhere too, and you can use Google, Yahoo Finance, Google News. All of those are great sources to help you make a more informed decision. Also, they have a Telegram channel you can join, official channel, which already has over 11,000 subscribers, and they're active on X as well, so make sure to follow them to stay updated with the latest news and announcements. All the links will be provided down below, so yeah guys, definitely check it out for yourself and see is it something that makes sense for you. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.